This Disney DVD is enhanced with Disney's FastPlay. Your movie and a selection of bonus features will begin automatically. To bypass FastPlay, select the main menu button at any time. FastPlay will begin in a moment.
Doing things together, that's what family's all about. Building memories. Like watching movies together. That's become a thing we do now more than ever with Disney Blu-Ray. My family cannot believe how real the picture looks and the amazing sound. It feels like you're part of the movie.
Oh boy!
One of the best things Blu-ray offers is all the fun activities my family can play and explore together. Not to mention, Blu-ray discs are kid-proof and more scratch-resistant. Plus, your Blu-ray player plays both Blu-ray discs and all your favorite DVDs. And now there's an even greater value than ever before with the Disney Blu-ray Combo Pack. It includes a DVD so we can share the movie experience on the go, wherever we go. Learn how Disney Blu-ray can help you create new memories at DisneyUpgradeToBlue.com.
And now, look for all these new family favorites on Disney Blu-ray Combo Packs. A great value that includes a DVD copy of the movie.
Dumbo! Look! The magic feather! I can see it all now! Look! You're flying! Dumbo! The ninth wonder of the universe! The world's only flying elephant! This is a proud, proud day. Isn't it
New on Disney DVD.
Hey!
A holiday movie is just around the corner.
Yahoo!
All you need is a train to get there.
All aboard! Let's go!
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Mickey's Choo Choo Express.
Let's choo-choo!
Take a ride with Mickey and the Clubhouse crew
Choo-choo!
to make all your wishes come true.
The perfect touch!
With fun new bonus features
I'm done!
from the hit Playhouse Disney series.
We're gonna choo-choo boogie! Choo-choo!
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Mickey's Choo Choo Express on Disney DVD.
What is it that you have there, Piglet?
Maybe a surprise?
It's Valentine's Day in the 100-Acre Wood,
That sounds familiar.
and love is in the air.
Christopher Robin's been bitten by a smitten, a member of the love bug family.
In the 10th anniversary of Winnie the Pooh, A Valentine for You,
It's very nice indeed.
a heartwarming adventure that celebrates friendship
Hiya, Piglet pal!
Silly old bear.
and caring for one another.
You must learn to control yourself.
But I can't help it. I just like to show how much I care.
Featuring 3 fun songs,
When the love bug smites.
You shake in disbelief.
plus new to DVD, a bonus episode from the new adventures of Winnie the Pooh.
Ooh, would you take a look at that?
Catch the love bug
I haven't.
with Disney Winnie the Pooh, A Valentine for You 10th Anniversary Edition on Disney DVD.
New on Disney DVD.
This spring,
Minnie's got a passion for fashion.
Thank you.
From the hit Playhouse Disney series, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Minnie's Bow-Tique.
3 cheers for Minnie! That's swell!
Join your favorite Clubhouse friends
Let's go.
for the opening of Minnie's new store.
Come on, everyone. This is wonderful.
A picnic in the park.
Let's bring on the eats!
And an adventure that's buzzing with excitement. Plus, there's even more in store.
Open jelly beans!
With a cool pajama party bonus episode.
Come on, everybody! Let's do the Pajama Jam!
Jam, 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 do the pajama jam.
Don't miss out on the fun, because everyone's invited. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Minnie's Bow-Tique on Disney DVD.
Tom,